What's really important to mention here is that you can zoom in 300% without any pixelation.
Zero. I can't see anything.
Like zero pixelation, and I can even zoom out for a better perspective. I'm standing on one side of the room, and I can zoom in over here and see in great detail the other wall. So these photos, like we joke in a live training environment that I would almost prefer to have a Pro Series scan than me standing in a room.
Because essentially I can be anywhere in the room. If I want to see that millwork down there at the bottom of the fireplace hearth, I just zoom in towards that straight away. I can see that detail. I don't have to move around the room at all. I think this is, I don't know, I think it's commonly overlooked how beneficial this zoom tool is. And what Harrison I think is going to mention is not only can you zoom in, you can actually take the picture, right?
That zoomed in.
That zoomed in straight away.
No pixelation.